Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oluchukwu again. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome to the end. If you're my old subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. So today I'm going to show you guys how I detangle my super dry hair. This hair is super dry, very good. After detangling it, I'm going to wash it, but not my normal wash routine. I'm just going to wash the product on my hair off because I've been styling it with some gels and the thing has been scratching me a lot. So after detangling it, I'm going to wash it off and style it. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to trim off the ones that is not needed on this my hair because this thing is causing breakage. Breakage. So my ministry is moving, as you guys can see. My hair is growing here now. You guys, my hair. Hallelujah. So I'm going to use this, my conditioner is almost finished. I'm going to use it to make it be more easy for me to handle. Then this to work in section by section. Then my detangling brush and my white tone comb with water. So that's what I'll be using for this. So first of all, I'm going to pat my hair before my hair is so dirty because of these gels and products. Super better. I'm going to section my hair. I don't know if it will, but let's see. I'm going to spray water first so I can be able to detangle it. Don't detangle your hair if it's dry. Make sure you spray your water or you wet it in your shower before detangling it, else you experience a lot of breakage. So I'm going to start here with this section, then finish everything. Okay, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm going to first of all make sure I saturate my hair with water to make it very well. You don't need to comb dry hair to avoid breakage, and this has been the best detangling process I've ever experienced since I started being natural. So, and this is the first time I'm using conditioner to detangle my hair. And note guys, you don't have to just use your comb immediately. You have to finger detangle your hair first to remove every knot before you walk in with your comb. This is the easiest part, and the funniest thing is that I was patient enough. I've never been patient while detangling my hair before. Now this year that we have to make that ministry to move well, to move to upper echelon, so that we can see the length will be lengthened. Okay, so yeah, please make sure you watch till the end. Don't forget to comment, like, share. If there is any tips that you think can help us together, please comment down below. I'm ready to learn. I'm open to learn. So yeah.
Perfect.
So guys, I'm done detangling my hair. It was quite easy, very easy. I don't know, maybe I was more relaxed, and I carried that for 2 minutes before washing it off with warm water. So I'm using my leave-in conditioner. This is the first time I'm using this product and I love it. My hair was so soft, like immediately it touched my hair became so soft. So I'm recommending it for you guys if your hair is strong like mine. So yeah, so whatever you are doing, make sure that after everything you put your hair in protective style until you're ready to do whatever you want to do with your hair. And after putting it in a protective style, make sure you secure your end, cover your hair with your bonnet, then go to sleep. This is the end of the video, guys. If it was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, share from me. God bless you. See you on my next video. Mwah.